Okay. So, put the helmet on. This is about the 4th or 5th try now to make a video. Then I have my motorcycle helmet with a GoPro attached to the front. And there's my bicycle. And we're going to see if we can make a video, if we can make this silly GoPro work. Okay, here's my bicycle. It is a gravity fatback. As you can see, it has the Bafang BBSHD conversion kit on it. I also added Schwinn Dior XT 4-piston caliper hydraulic brakes, because this thing will haul ass and you need to be able to stop. Okay, so let's try this. Damn it, I don't have my lens filter. Oh. Yeah, there's a lens filter that goes on. It's a 35mm lens filter. I got a number of them. They, you know, well, it's a camera filter. They make things look a lot better. So, but we don't have that. Now, okay, let's turn it on with that button. It's in sport mode, okay, so that's we got 98% charge. Sport mode, and that sport mode is too fast. So, eco mode, and power level 1. Trust me, that's plenty. So here we go. This thing will do on level ground with full charge. It'll do just almost 40 miles an hour. I mean, I ride this thing to the post office all the time. That's about a 10-mile round trip. Use caution for neighbors. And be advised, I'm not pedaling this so much. So here's the cadence. It doesn't take long. So you're going so fast that you can't pedal anymore. And so you just run it on the throttle. See, it's got a throttle like a motorcycle. Girlfriend. Okay, now and remember, this is an eco mode. 16 miles an hour. Full throttle on the twist grip. 23 miles an hour. That's an eco mode. If we put her in sport mode, she'll do 40 miles an hour, no problem. Put it in level 5. That's eco mode level 5. Boom, it busts right through that 23 miles an hour. Okay. Let's pull up here to the subway to get a sandwich. Yeah. Eco mode, economy mode, level 5 power. It's about the same thing as sport mode, level 2 power. When you put it in sport mode, okay, and run it on the throttle, it'll go 40 mile an hour all day long. The main problem I got is, if I was going to do this again, I would not do it on a fat tire bike, because you have chain line issues. Okay, so I had to get this little aftermarket chain ring so as to move the sprocket closer to the center line, therefore be able to engage the gears. And I'm stuck in, well, I'm not stuck, but I mostly ride it in the next to the highest gear. If we put it in 8th gear, it'll pop back out into 7th. And then the lowest gear you can run is like 2nd speed. I mostly run it all the time in high gear, because you don't really need to shift. If you need to go up a hill, you just click the button and give it more power. Okay. Carry all day. Hey man.
GoPro on that thing.
Yeah, I'm making a video about my electric bicycle.
Video?
Yeah. So you're on YouTube right now.
Oh yeah. I'm need to get to YouTube. I be on YouTube too. But I like watching that.
Yeah.
But yeah,
I used to use this on the motorcycle a whole lot, but then I sold my motorcycle.
oh yeah, I get your YouTube channel for you leave out of here.
Yeah.
Check it out.
Let's see, we're going to have a tuner. Let's have it on wheat.
So this is 12?
Yeah.
12 inch wheat?
Yeah. Man, I trade here all the time. You guys are great.
Can I get some lettuce?
What kind of sandwich you get today, son?
Tuna.
Any cheese on there for you? Any
Yeah, American cheese.
Do you like to toast it?
Please no.
I'll do like 4 tomatoes. And then I'll do probably like 4 cucumbers too.
Americans or cheese?
Yes, sir.
Yes, and I grab it No, yeah, no. Yeah, I love that one. Yeah, that's perfect. And I'll do tomato. And then.
How you doing, Mr.
You don't have the Baja Chipotle?
Hello, sir.